So this question is a diagram question. Any question that provides some visual input, like this graph here, the scatter plot, I'm going to call a diagram question. So whenever I have a diagram, I like to look at the diagram first before reading. Here I'm going to look at the x-axis. It's time, days since June 1st. My y-axis is temperature. And then these points, therefore, with like this point here, for instance, would be 1 day since June 1st. So on June 2nd, the temperature looks like just under 70 degrees Fahrenheit, 69 degrees, somewhere around there. As soon as I realize that I know how to read this graph, then I go to read the actual question. I like to do it that way because it helps me to not get confused by the wording of the question. And once I've read it, I know exactly where to look in the diagram. So the question says the scatter plot shows the temperature Y in degrees Fahrenheit recorded by a meteorologist at various times X in days since June 1st, right? All the things that we already saw. The question goes on to say, during which of the following time periods did the greatest increase in recorded temperature take place? Okay, well, it looks like just visually that it happened right here. But let's see what the question is asking. So from x equals 6 to x equals 7, well, that would be from here to here. From 5 to 6, well, that's a decrease, so A is better than B. Choice C, from 2 to 3, yes, 2 to 3 is a much larger increase than from 6 to 7, so C is better than A. And from 1 to 2 for choice D, well, that's going down, right? So D is gone. So as expected or as suspected, the correct answer here is choice C.